Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of this exclusive release. Here's another one for you, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, and this smartphone here is already the official global version. Guys, the device isn't out yet, but I bought it early and rushed here to record and show you. This one in my hand with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage could be yours. I'm going to make it available for a giveaway only for the very important person group members, so the link will also be here in the video description. Remember, all the fees and shipping are paid by me. The winner just needs to relax at home and wait for the device. Also, leave a like, it really helps. Check your subscription to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share it with everyone too. Alright? And now let's get to our unboxing with the initial review and first impressions of this launch, Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. Let's go to the video, let's do it. Starting the unboxing. A completely white box with the model highlighted and a red background below mentioning its main features. A 6580 mAh battery and a new 200 megapixel camera. The side label shows the International Mobile Equipment Identity Codes and product version. Inside the box, there's an envelope visible. We have a SIM ejector tool, a quick start manual, a black silicone case, and a charging and data transfer cable. USB-A on one end, USB Type-C on the other, and just below is the smartphone. And it's with this 45-watt charger that already comes inside the box as well. Now, with the device already in hand, all set up, we have a 6.83-inch active matrix organic light emitting diode screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate, high dynamic range, 10 double vision, and a maximum brightness of 3200 nits. It has a great feel, weighing 210 grams and 8 millimeters thick. This titanium color looks really beautiful. This camera module could have been updated a bit more because it looks exactly like the Redmi Note 14 series, but even so, it looks really nice and deserves a good pat on the back. On the right are the volume and power buttons. On top are an infrared sensor, microphone, noise reducer, and stereo speaker. On the left side, there's nothing, it's all smooth, and on the bottom, there's a SIM card tray, a microphone, a USB Type-C port, and its stereo speaker output. Let's start by talking about artificial intelligence. It doesn't come with Xiaomi Hyper, it only comes with Gemini or Gemini, everyone calls it differently. This already comes installed because of the Google apps, which also follow the same pattern when it comes to photo editing. It brings a series of features for you to use. You have to be logged into your account. Xiaomi now, talking about the battery, guys, 6580 mAh silicon carbon. The battery is insane, it's really good, it lasts all day very easily. In the processor test I did here, the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra 4 nanometers scored 659,000 points, a very good score. It will run most of the games you want from the Play Store without any problem. During the tests, it heated up to 35.3 degrees and lost 4% battery. Now let's run some gameplay footage. Call of Duty Mobile's graphics are maxed out and you can see how the game performs. With very good smoothness. It will run smoothly without any problem, without any kind of lag, stutter, delay, nothing, running really well, guys. It's a great processor, so you won't have any issues with performance for now. You can trust it will work well for you. The packaging says it has IP66 and IP68 certifications, but some rumors suggest it will be certified. Check this out. Up to 2 meters of submersion for up to 24 hours underwater without damage, including drops, also up to 2.5 meters. This is going to be insane, it's going to be surreal. These are just rumors, nothing confirmed yet, so we need to wait for confirmation during its launch event, which I also don't know about. The exact date it will happen, at first I think it will be on January 6th, so let's stay tuned so we can follow this as well. The device runs Xiaomi HyperOS 2 with Android 15 and promises 4 years of Android updates. We have near-field communication for contactless payments. The on-screen fingerprint and facial unlock features now work very well and are both very satisfactory. And guys, there are 4 versions of this smartphone here. 8 with 256, 8 with 512, 12 with 256, and 12 with 512. And it supports 2 nano SIM cards with 5G or 1 nano SIM card and 1 eSIM card, but only 2 active connections at the same time, okay? It also lacks memory expansion. Now let's test its audio and video. Audio and video test on the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G 2160p quality. I'm gonna turn the brightness all the way up. Let's play it here. Look at how beautiful the image is, and the audio too, guys. It's at 400. The audio is really loud, the stereo sound is really good, the screen is very beautiful, lots of details. Music. Very good. Guys, the audio and image on this device are amazing. Its active matrix organic light emitting diode screen has great brightness, vibrant colors, and loud, excellent stereo sound. You saw there up to 400 volume. The sound is really loud, man. Very powerful without losing quality. So congratulations, both the audio and the image are really good. Let's start talking about the cameras now. On the front, we have a 20 megapixel camera recording only in full high definition 1080p at 60 FPS. Let's show photos and videos from its front camera. Music. And here we are, guys, front camera of the Redmi Note 15 Pro, maximum resolution, full high definition at 60 FPS. That cold, I don't know, you probably can't see it, but you can see my breath. It's really cold, guys. The first test I'm gonna do for you here is the high dynamic range. There's no option to turn high dynamic range on or off here on the device screen. I'm going to stand in the shade here now that I've stopped just to test it. And there you go, everything turns white. When it focuses on the sky, you can see the blue, but when it focuses on me, everything turns white, okay? So we don't have any kind of high dynamic range option for trucks. Now just a little bit here so you can see the stabilization. Look at the sky, how it is. It's beautiful. Look, the sun back there, really awesome, really cool, really nice. Walking here now, it seems to stabilize well. Look how awesome, beautiful image, good colors too, and the control here seems really good, very good quality. It's a shame it doesn't record in 4K and doesn't have high dynamic range either, right? But anyway, there it is. Front camera, Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, guys. I thought the front camera was really good. It's a shame it can't record in 4K. It doesn't have high dynamic range for videos, only for photos, but that's the only thing missing. The image quality is good, I liked it, and the audio and microphone capture are also really good. I don't know if you guys noticed too, but I thought it was excellent. And now let's go to the back part of it, which we have the new 200 megapixel camera, which is the main camera with optical image stabilization, and a second one, an 8 megapixel ultra wide. All of this records at 4K 30 FPS. Let's go take some photos and videos, and we'll be right back to give our summary and wrap up the video. And now here, guys, rear camera of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G recording at 4K 30 FPS with stabilization. It's already native, nothing needs to be turned on or off. I just selected 4K 30 here, it doesn't do 60 4K 30 and it goes straight to it. It's really good. Let's check the focus here. Where's the focus? And here you grab it. Let's see. Focus here again. Focus again. Done. Now let's check the zoom, the wide angle. It doesn't open. It's at 4K. Let's see now going up to 6x, 6 times with stabilization. That's thanks to the stabilization, optical image stabilization that it also offers. This device, very good quality, very stable image, also stabilized. Nice colors, not much grain, awesome 4K 30. Let's walk back a bit so you can see here, okay? The ground is very uneven, so it should be shaking a lot. I'm holding it only with my right hand, but it stabilizes really well. The There you go, guys. Awesome. Rear camera Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. I just saw here, guys, there's this other feature on the rear camera with stabilization. It's forced. It's called shoot steady here, and it really works. For me, it's 80-30. I can't zoom in at all. Only hear a super hyper ultra stable recording. Walking here, holding it just with my right hand, and you can see that it really looks like I'm holding a gimbal. It doesn't shake at all. It doesn't wobble at all. Perfect, perfect. Look, I fixed the focus. Quick focus. Awesome. And there it is for you. Very good. Very good. Another option here for the rear camera of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. Guys, once again, I really liked it, okay? It also has that cool feature of super stabilization, which goes to 1080, but the stabilization is just perfect, really good. I like the image quality, and the rear camera's audio capture is also very good. Here with this 200 megapixel resolution, when you take a photo with all that resolution, it will give you a wealth of detail. There, it's insane. Also a very good camera, but anyway, comment down below for me, what did you think of its cameras? And now, guys, let's go to our final summary here, bringing the positive points in my opinion. The battery is great, the active matrix organic light emitting diode screen looks beautiful, and the stereo sound is excellent. We're waiting to confirm the device's certifications, but all signs point to it being extremely durable. It also has near-field communication and rear cameras. And as for the negative points, in my opinion, I think it lacked 4K on the front camera, maybe a few more features for the front camera. You also get a processor which is more of a mid-range one. Moving to the basics, it could have a slightly more powerful processor as well, and its charger, which is 45 watts, could accept a bit more powerful charging too. At least 66 watts would already be a good size, maybe 80 or 90, but I still think 45 is a bit low for this device. But anyway, I want to know your opinion. Comment below what you thought about this device. What did you think of the video? Did you like it? Was it cool or not? Leave a comment. It's important. If you liked it, hit like. If not, dislike, no problem. Check if you're subscribed to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any news or new releases here on the channel. And if you can, of course, sharing this video with everyone will help a lot too. Alright then, that's it guys. We're in this together. Thank you all very much. God bless you. A big hug and see you next time. Thanks, I'm out.